There are multiple different medias that you can use the glass with. What you're looking for is sort of, I'll give you a good example. You can bring me a car rig. I can blast it with Glass D, and it's going to be slower, but it's going to leave less of a profile. I can do it with steel shot, and it's going to come off quick, but it's going to eat it up and it's going to show. So the medias that people use, a lot of it depends on what the end result, what the look is if they're looking for them on the part. And most folks that blast, and there are people in there that blast that can probably answer this even better than I can, have multiple different things that they use. Dustless blasters are becoming more popular. I don't dislike nor they're great for what they're there for. They're dustless. They're just what they do, but it's not mudless. Because the reason it doesn't have dust is because it uses water, so the water makes the dust into mud, and now, so do you want to deal with dust or mud? It's your choice, and there's not, not saying that one is any better or any worse than the other. You can use Walnut Shields, you can use Glass D, you can use Steel Shot, you can use all sorts of fun stuff, but you're gonna have a multitude of different options.